Okay, so here we go, monitor arm. This is actually a video that I've been meaning to do for a very long time, and that's exactly what we're going to do here today. Hello again everyone, I'm Faisal and welcome back to my channel for a brand new video on the Arctic Z1 basic monitor arm. This is actually a monitor arm that I purchased myself from Digitech in Switzerland a while back. I actually wanted to get the basic one from Amazon, except since we don't have Amazon in Switzerland and some of the other regional Amazon websites didn't actually ship all the way here, I went with the one that I could purchase locally after seeing some of the reviews and unboxing. But most of these are actually in German or in French, so here I am doing the same one in English for those of you that are interested in purchasing this product but want more information about it. So before getting right into it, what we're going to do is unbox the monitor mount and then put it up on the monitor that I have there behind me to see what it looks like. But before we get to all of this, we'll talk some specs. So right off the bat, this is actually a basic monitor arm for one monitor that can be up to 43 inches in size and no more than 15 kilograms. This is pretty heavy on its own. It's about 2 kilograms, so it gives it that very nice, sturdy and premium feel. So I can't wait to open it and see what's inside of it. This one here comes in the black color, so it will look very nice with the design that I have back here, going for that panda look of the pixels, you know, the black and white. And so that's what we're going to do. It is a monitor arm that allows for a 360-degree rotation for the monitor, so if you want to mount it sort of in portrait, you could. And it has a 15-degree tilt, which means that, you know, you can, if you're lower than the monitor, you can actually get a good view that way, or if you're sitting a bit higher than it, you can tilt it to see things better that way. And it can rotate sideways for up to 180 degrees, which is perfect for me because sometimes I'm not sitting straight on my desk, I'm kind of facing at an angle, and this could actually position things better towards me. So let's go ahead and mount it and see what it looks like on this setup. Okay, so here we are for the unboxing. Let's go ahead and open this. So right off the bat, these are all the pieces that we have. So first of all, we have a guide that tells you what's inside the box, which is very helpful actually. Next up, we have the big piece itself, the monitor arm. It feels very sturdy, I actually like it. In here, we have the piece that goes on the back of the table, and it allows the monitor arm to be height adjustable. Along with that, we've got the clamp that helps it clamp to the desk. In here, we have something to protect the desk from the clamp so that it doesn't affect it or ruin the table. And a whole bunch of tools and screws and equipment that we need to mount the monitor safely, including these guys, which is pretty cool. These are actually the piece that goes around this arm in order to help with cable management. So that's very useful. I'm glad I have that. So that actually helps quite a bit. We have a little user's manual here if you want to use a QR code. And that's very nice of them. A thank you for choosing Arctic the cooler way. And then inside, a little review and all the media information you need. So this is everything that comes inside the box. And what we're going to do now is switch over to mount it onto the monitor and then see what it looks like. So that's it. We've managed to finally put it up on the desk. It took about 15 minutes to settle all of it together, but I would recommend following the instruction manual because it might actually take much longer. I had to disassemble, reassemble some parts, but it went great. So that's what we got. Here we have some additional pieces that is actually pretty awesome to have in here as an added feature because it allows you to switch the monitors at any time, and then you don't have to worry about finding the right tools or what not. So these are meant to be sort of fillers. So in case you're out of any kind of screws or your monitor might not fit these little screws, except they do fit these larger screws. What you could do is use these fillers to fill up the extra space that might remain. So that's very helpful. That was the one thing that I didn't actually think I was going to get in here, but that's an awesome feature to add, because like I said in my previous video, I might actually be swapping out this monitor for something a bit bigger than this in the future. So in that case, it would be very ideal to have all of these options. Again, we have thinner long screws and wider long screws. Same goes with the shorter screws. These are the wide ones. My monitor actually just uses the thin ones, so I'm not using these right now, but I will be storing them for future. Finally, what we had inside the box were these two tools. One is a 4mm screw and one's the 5mm screw. So you don't need anything extra to set up the monitor mount or even attach it to your monitor. Overall, this is a very sturdy product. I really like it. The build is good. As you saw, it doesn't move too much. You can adjust it. You can lock it where you want it to be locked, but I like to move it a little bit. So I lock them fairly strongly, but not enough for it not to be able to move. So I can actually have full control of it as easy as smoothly as possible. And it's at a height that's perfect for me when it comes to sort of my workstation. Sometimes I might be at an angle, so boom, perfect. And if you feel like using it like a tablet, which I don't know why you would, but there we go. So overall, amazing product. I actually really like it. I must say that this purchase was a very good purchase from Digitech in Switzerland. So I'll leave the link for this down below. And I will also leave you the Amazon basic monitor arm in the description down below in case you're interested in getting those if you don't live in Switzerland. That's it for this review and this unboxing. And like I said, my impressions are very positive about this thing. This setup actually gives me that extra desk real estate right here, which I will be using for something super interesting later down the road. So stay tuned for that. So that is everything we have for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed setting this one up and I can't wait to start using it. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to stay tuned for the future content. See you next time.